Batching is incredibly useful when it comes to managing your time and managing your life. So that is basically grouping a set of tasks together that are in the same sort of area so that you're not going too far outside of the realm of what you're doing. So like when I'm making videos, I will film a load of videos at the same time, I will edit them all at the same time, and I will upload them all at the same time. That is a very effective way of doing things because I'm not going backwards and forwards from different things, sort of flitting from A to B to C to D. And you can do this in your day-to-day life as well. Let's say you need to pick up something from town, you need to go get your hair cut in town, and you need to do something else in town, right? Putting all these things at the same time means that you only have to travel to town once and then travel back from town. So you can use this to basically help control your life and free you up, because then you've not got all of this travel all the way around you, just going from A to B to C to D, making sure that you're doing things as efficiently as possible.